All right, everybody, we are here at Pastaio, a restaurant in downtown Royal Oak, Michigan. We got ThyssenKrupp elevator. Homemade pasta restaurant. ThyssenKrupp with Atoll. Signa 4. Let's go to 3. Ooh, red buttons. Nice. Whoa. Going up?
Yes. Thanks.
Yep, absolutely. Here you go.
Thank you.
Yep, have a good night.
Thank you.
Alright, let's go down. So there's the rooftop out there. We'll go back down. Yeah, that stopped pretty sudden. Love that red button right there. All right, let's listen to the motor. It crashes to a stop. Very rough. Very nice. All right, let's go back down. It's a beautiful Sunday evening here in Royal Oak, so everybody's kind of getting their meals in before going back to work, which makes sense. And we're stopping on 2. Go down. Hey, how you doing?
How are you doing today?
Doing good. How are you?
Good. You upstairs for the party?
I was. I was
Okay.
up there earlier. Yeah.
Okay.
That was nice though. That's for sure.
Are you on the 3rd?
I was. Yeah. Earlier.
Okay.
Yeah.
Earlier when? Is the party shot at 7?
I'm about to leave. I'm about to go. I just finished up. So yeah. Oh.
Are you not in the party? You just
No.
setting up?
No, I was just walking.
Ah.
That's all.
Got it.
Have a good night.
You too.
Thank you. There it goes, and that will be it.